far. Today let's talk about this sharing e-bikes with wireless charging station. As you can see, the bikes is connects with the wireless charging station, and they are inductive connect. And here is the lock. So when you pull the bikes on, it will be locked. It's with LT connect. And here is and when it connects, it will show the charging status. Now it's on charge. Here is the LT. So the rear wheels is also with a lock. So when the people use the application to scan it, this wheels lock will be unlocked, so as the front station. So you can remove the bikes from the station and ride. And now let us show you how to operate. Okay, that's the operation of the sharing solutions. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We can provide you the full solutions for your sharing project. Bye bye.